Hi, I'm Mike with Mattioni Plumbing, Heating and Cooling. Sump pumps could be the last line of defense for some homeowners who deal with flooding in their basement. In this video, we're going to answer the most common questions we get about sump pumps, from how they work to whether you really need one in your home. What is a sump pump and how does it work? A sump pump is a device installed in the lowest part of a basement or crawl space. Its primary function is to prevent flooding by collecting and pumping out excess groundwater that accumulates in a sump pit. When water levels rise to a certain point, the pump activates automatically, directing water away from your home's foundation through a discharge line. Do I need a sump pump in my home? Not everyone needs a sump pump in their home. But if your home is prone to basement flooding, has a high water table, or experiences moisture issues during heavy rainfall, a sump pump can be a crucial safeguard against water damage. Signs that you might need one include persistent dampness, water stains, or a musty odor in your basement. What types of sump pumps are available? There are two main types. Submersible pumps are pumps installed inside the sump pit and submerged in water. They're quieter and save space, but can be more challenging to access for maintenance. Pedestal pumps are positioned above the sump pit, making them easier to service. However, they tend to be noisier and more visible. How often should I test or maintain my sump pump? It's advisable to test your sump pump at least once a year, preferably before the rainy season. This involves pouring water into the sump pit to ensure the pump activates and drains the water properly. Regular maintenance includes cleaning the pump, checking for debris, and ensuring the discharge line is clear. What happens if the power goes out? During power outages, your primary sump pump won't function unless it's connected to a backup power source. Installing a battery backup system ensures that your sump pump continues to operate, protecting your basement from potential flooding even when the electricity is down. How long do sump pumps typically last? On average, sump pumps have a lifespan of about 7 to 10 years. Regular maintenance can extend their longevity. However, if you notice signs like unusual noises, frequent cycling, or reduced efficiency, it might be time to consider a replacement. How much does a sump pump cost? A sump pump replacement can cost around $1,300 to $1,700. If you need to install a new pump and pit, you can expect to pay around $4,000 to $5,000. A battery backup for a sump pump costs around $1,500 to $2,100 to install. It is typically more cost-effective to install a backup at the same time as a new sump pump, so keep that in mind if you're looking at a new pump or pump replacement. If you still have questions, or if you're ready for a professional to take a look at your system, just give us a call or schedule an appointment online with real-time availability. Or you can check out our online learning center to learn even more about your home.